We'll see you shortly, Bob. A bipartisan bill introduced back in September addressing mental health resources is now moving through the state legislature.
The bill received its first public hearing in the Assembly Committee on Mental Health and Substance Abuse Prevention today. Political reporter Darielle Fair has the latest.
Republicans in the Senate and Assembly are introducing legislation that would target mental health, substance abuse, and family crisis. The bill aims to develop regional crisis centers throughout the state, implementing Wisconsin's Crisis Now model. The Department of Health Services would provide certifications for those centers, and people would have 24/7 access.
It is a terrible process on so many different fronts. Number one, it's bad for the person in crisis. I mean, that's not the best way to treat somebody who's in a mental health crisis, put them in the back of a squad car for a 3.5-hour trip. Secondly, the demands in our law enforcement is significant. It takes one or two staff a shift basically to transport that person, wait at the hospital, and deal with all of the challenges. So the current process is flawed.
As lawmakers are focusing on mental health, a move by the Joint Committee on Employment Relations has left many UW employees concerned about critical pay raises the committee chose not to approve. This is part of continued efforts by the state's Republican-led legislature to pressure the universities of Wisconsin to eliminate diversity, equity, and inclusivity programs across campuses. Yesterday, Governor Tony Evers announced he filed a lawsuit asking the state Supreme Court to intervene. He argues the committee's decisions to withhold pay raises is unconstitutional. When asked during a press conference his thoughts on the committee's actions to deny those pay raises, Mark Klein refused to comment. Reporting from the Capitol, Darielle Fair, 27 News.